Hello my students, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to talk about solving equation and how can we solve any equation. Okay, let's start. Our objectives for today's lesson is solve an equation of the first degree in one unknown. Our warming up for today's lesson is about the missing number plus 10 equals 14. Oh, we can do it mentally. So the missing number equals 4. How can we know it? Because 4 plus 10 equals 14. Instead of the missing number, I'm gonna to put a variable. I'm gonna to put x. Okay, so x plus 10 equals 14. Oh, so x equals 4. Excellent. Oh, this is called an equation. So Berlet, the equation is the mathematical statement which contains one variable as x or more as x and y and contain equal sign. Let's see how can we solve an equation. Let's see the steps of solving equation. Solve equation steps. Okay, number 1, circle what with the variable. Number 2, do inverse or the opposite operation to both sides. We first do addition and subtraction. Second, we do multiplication or division. Number 3, find the variable alone. Put the variable alone. Okay. Number 4, you can check your answer by replacing. We will replace the value with the variable. Let's see this example. Our first example. Find the solution set of the equation x plus 7 equals 4. If the substitution set is number 1, z means integers number, positive numbers and negative numbers and 0. 2, n, 2n, n means natural numbers. Okay, at first we will circle what was the variable. What was the variable here? Positive 7. So we will circle positive 7 and do the inverse operation, do the opposite operation to both sides. The opposite operation of positive 7 is negative 7. We put negative 7 to both sides. So negative 7 to both sides. So positive 7 cancelled with negative 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. So 4 minus 7. Oh, here we have two different signs, positive and negative. So we will take the sign of the biggest number. Who's the biggest number? 7. His sign negative. So we will take the sign of the biggest number, negative, and we will subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So x equals minus 3 or negative 3. Excellent. Okay, the substitution set first z. So x equals negative 3 belongs to z. Yes. So the solution set in z is negative 3. Oh, x equals negative 3 belongs to n natural numbers? No. So the solution set in n is 5. Negative 3 doesn't belong to n, so the solution set is 5. Okay, let's see another example. Let's go. Here we have find the solution set of the equation 3x minus 4 equals 11. Oh, here we have two operations. We have multiplication between 3 and x, and we have subtraction. How can we solve it? Let's see. First, circle what with the variable. What with the variable? Negative 4. So we will do the opposite operation to both sides. We will put plus 4 to both sides. So minus 4 cancelled with plus 4 equals 0. Cancelled together. So 11 plus 4 equals 15. So 3x equals 15. 3x equals 15. Oh, here we have multiplication between 3 and x. So we will do the opposite operation. The opposite operation of multiplication is division. We will divide it, both sides divided by 3. So 3x divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So x equals 15. Divide 3 equals 5. So x equals 5. Okay? The solution set is 5. Okay. Now, let's do this activity. We have an equation 2x plus 3 equals 7. Every group will take a colored paper. Okay, the variable x, we will represent the variable x with a small blue rectangles. We will cut the paper to small blue rectangles. The paper, the blue paper, to small rectangles. Okay, here we have 2x, so we have 2 rectangles. And the numbers, we represent to the numbers with a small red squares. Okay, here we have 3, so we will put small 3 squares, small red squares 3, and here we will put 7 red squares. Okay, at first we will circle what was the variable positive 3 and do the inverse operation. We will represent to the opposite operation with the yellow squares, with the small yellow squares. Okay, so here we will put 3 yellow squares, the opposite operation, to both sides. So here we will put 3 yellow squares. Okay, red squares cancelled with yellow squares because this is positive 3 and this is negative 3. Okay, cancelled together. Okay, because this is negative 3 with cancelled with positive 3. Oh, what we have here? We have 2 rectangles equals 4 squares. 2 rectangles equals 4 squares. So every rectangle equals 2 squares. So 1x, x equals 2. So the answer, the solution set is x equals 2. Let's do this activity together in groups. Now let's play who will win a million. Let's play in groups. Okay, this is the play. Let's start. This is our levels. $1 million. Good luck. Let's start. Oh, the first question for the first group. Find the solution of the equation 2x minus 1 equal 5. Or we will do the inverse operation, or we will move minus 1 to the other side by the opposite operation, or by the opposite sign. Minus 1 move to the other side, become plus 1. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So 2x equals 6. We divided by 2. So x equals 6 divided by 2. 6 divided 2 equals 3. So the answer 3. Let's see. Excellent. Let's see another question. Find the solution set of the equation x plus 7 equals 3 if the substitution set is n. Oh, that is so easy. X plus 7 equals 3. So x equals, we can do it mentally, x equals, so we will do the opposite operation to both sides, or we will move plus 7 to the other side to become minus 7. So 3 minus 7 equals, oh, minus 7 and plus 7. The biggest sign number, the biggest number sign is minus 7. So 7 minus 3 equal 4, and we will take the negative, so become negative 4. Oh, the answer negative 4. We will choose negative 4. Let's go. Wrong. Why? Can you tell me why? Because the substitution set is n, natural number. Minus 4 belongs to the natural number. The natural number means the positive number and 0. This is positive number or 0? No. So the solution set is 5. Excellent. Let's see another question. If x plus 5 equals 7, find the solution set of 2x plus 6 equals what? Oh, here we have to get the variable x, then we replace x with its value. Okay, x plus 5 equals 7. We can do it mentally. 2 plus 5 equals 7, so x equals 2. Excellent. Let's replace x with 2. So 2 multiply 2 equals 4. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Excellent. Let's see. Excellent. Good. Here we finished our play. Who wins with $1 million? Excellent. Thank you, my students.